Want to sign in with your Apple account? Here's how to quickly get logged into Befunky. First, open the Befunky app or visit their website on your PC or mobile. When you reach the login screen, tap or click the Apple icon. If you are signed into your Apple account on the device, you'll be prompted to confirm the Apple ID you want to use. If you are not logged in, you'll need to enter your Apple ID credentials. Apple will ask if you want to share your email with Befunky. If you want to keep your email private, tap Hide My Email, otherwise tap Continue to let Befunky access your Apple account info. Once confirmed, you'll be logged in and ready to start using Befunky's feature. Signing in with Apple is great for privacy-conscious users, as it allows you to keep your email hidden while still using your account. Do you use Apple for most of your logins? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.